This is me. Wow, I just spent the last half an hour changing up my keyboard. If I, you know what, these silent T taps, I found where they were. I mentioned it's like, oh, I couldn't find them after someone else took them off. They didn't work on the other one. The Razer keyboard's too loud. It's the loudest thing. So I was looking for like, I know there's another keyboard that was swapped off because it didn't work. Let me try that. So, you hear the Twix? I think it's less noise. But I don't know why this keyboard was put away. So maybe I'll find out. Oh, the light for the taps in Numwalker is at the top, unfortunately. There's a lot of random stuff in here. I can lower the volume, but I can't increase the volume. Oh no. Mute toggle. Okay, it just mutes the audio, not my mic. And then what I want up there. There's weird T's on the side here. It's profiles. I don't know why I would need profiles. Okay. It also, this thing is like a massive like rainbow light up thing on it. How do I control this? Hopefully this will make recording much better without the T-Twix being that loud. If I take my T-Tap remover from the T-Tap kit, so let me take the L out. Was that too loud? Yeah. It's the bass noise is just this. With the T, it's that. On the other one, it was way louder. I don't think these silent tap things do anything, actually. What did I even do? Well, I guess it reduces the actual impact of it. So if I have the T next to the L, there's that with the T on. Put the L back on. So K, L. Okay, there's a difference. This is the stopping distance, maybe. Okay, so was it really that loud taking the T off? This T remover thing. Okay, so I'll put that back around. Also, I did mention the weird texture T's for the QWERASDF. I think I have the normal T's over here. It's like this weird triangle. Okay. See if I have them all here. Oh, there's another textured D. Okay, here's my Q S D A. I don't like the font they use for the actual T's. The font is not too good. There's W R F. Why is there extra textured D and W? Huh? Why D and W? Why do they have extra texture? Oh, it's reverse angle, I guess. Oh no, D is the reversed angle. And it has another T-Tap remover. I'll use the one that this one comes with then. And there's a warranty die. The instruction manual I have over here. I misplaced the instruction manual. Okay. Let me remove these T's. Let's remove the F. Oh, this one's way weaker. The one that came with the Corsair keyboard. This T remover is way weaker, but it's also quieter, I guess. Let me swap these normal T's on. Okay, R. Okay, maybe it is loud still. Very loud. Oh. E. D. Yeah, I don't like the font. It's confusing for the D. Wait, I have it. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah. I hate the font they chose for some of these letters. Maybe they should have went with like a more recognizable font. Maybe Corsair next time. Who am I taking? I don't want to buy another keyboard. Because these are... I need to say, this is not my keyboard, technically. So, I technically didn't pay a dime for this. It's someone else's. and they chose to not use this keyboard. So there's probably something wrong with it. The T's stuck. Alright. You know, I have all the standard T's on, not these weird texture ones. They're all going in the weird Corsair triangle box. If I can find the manual first so I don't lose it. I have this freaky USB with like a solar panel on it. Flashlight. So that's the one I'm... It also has like a thing for breaking guitar doors. I'm just gonna use the self-defense thing. So if anyone walks in on me, like playing with Alan Wake or something, I'll whack them in the head with my specialized glass-breaking flashlight to defend myself. Because if someone's walking in, it's a dose. And I know there are doses in here, alright? I saw them. You don't have to believe me, but I believe myself. Where the hell did I put the manual? Oh, no, I can't say how. Oh, no. Was I really just reading the Bible? No! I really need to continue the Limbus Bible reading thing. I was taking a small break for like a few days because of the fact it's like, oh, I read that part. But then I was searching up, I went to search up online. So I found like some weird 9-minute animation of Crucifixion. And apparently the Crucifixion takes place in 3 other chapters. So Crucifixion there's multiple crucifixions, or it's the same crucifixion from different perspective. That is something I don't understand yet, because I'm not religious. I was reading it just for fun. I don't see the manual. Oh wait, here it is. Those are stickers. Huh? Oh, what's been where it's bought from? It's a funny company name. Alright, there is... Oh, there's a manual. Alright, it was very... Ow. Okay, I have this thing as well. So there's a manual. I also have a little, like, wrist, like, for your wrist when you're on keyboard, resting thing. The other one had one with, like, some... I don't know if it was real or fake, like, leather. But, yeah, it broke, of course. So I'm pretty sure it was fake leather for like a keyboard thing on the Razer one. So this Corsair one has... Where's how to open it? Oh, from the side. Man, I should have read it first. It's smaller. I don't know how it would feel yet. Ooh, okay. It's dirty. It's like a rubbery texture. Pretty freaky. But I think it just trips into the keyboard. Let me put these keys away like I said I was going to do in the triangle box with the manual for now, because I don't think I looked through it, glossed over it. I don't think I'm going to be going to their website and downloading something. I just want the keyboard, none of your weird features. Actually, I want to turn the rainbow lights off. It's fine, but it wastes its power, doesn't it? I don't need lights to be all over. The other one had lights on just the letters, which I thought it was cool. Whereas like the actual like letters on the Razer keyboard was like translucent. You know what translucent means. You collected Trash Pack before, right? I remember season 2. I got like this translucent one. Oh man, that was my favorite one at the time. It's not like a shiny. I'm not talking about actual children toys now. Come on, I collect action figures now. And plus, I still want a Fumo, but I have to wait for them for more Sagamatation and Parasy stock, I guess. If they even make any more. But, right, got my little rubber thing. Now let me flip it in. Wait, what? Swipe underneath. Okay. It's one of those anti-move things where it's like the rubbery texture makes it where you can't move your hand. Okay, so I'm gonna test this out playing Alan Wake or Oblivion, maybe. I haven't even uploaded the first Oblivion video yet. It's way wider, isn't it? So I know of some of my recordings, it'll mostly just be with me talking once in a while and a lot of T-Twix. A lot of T-Twix. Alright. Okay, I need to put this stuff back in the box now and clean up, because this was buried under a lot of stuff. I mean, a lot. Like, I'm talking like coffee equipment. The heat pads are not. Oh, I have like compressed air. Wow. Those are gonna explode when I'm streaming probably, but hopefully they're not. I've been Lavdium. I'm gonna end this here and start tweening. Should always tween after you do something, so you don't have to tween it all at once. I know sometimes I like to where it's like I will like wait and save up stuff and do it all at once. But when it comes to tweening, you don't mess around with tweening. All right. All right. Bye.